So here we conclude looking at the final projects. Here I have my monogram, BJJ, once again using Sodachrome logos effect. Here I built an alien glow green bullet, which was one of the requirements. And the final requirement, look here, I did a screen capture, and then I cropped the screen, and I actually resized the screen to make it quite small. Now it's only 500 by around 330, something like that. To complete the project, all you've got to do is File, Export, or Export As, and export your picture to your pictures directory. Make it either a JPG or a PNG. Those are the two standard file types that you export to and that you can use in any place. And then go ahead and when you're taking the course, go ahead to your project, and here you'll get the full project instructions. Give your project a name, something like, here's my stuff, I don't know. And then go ahead and go here and use the upload photo link here to upload your 3 images. Your alien glow bullet, your screenshot, and your monogram. And if you do that, then you've completed the project. Congratulations. And that means that you know the GIMP pretty darn well. You're ready for future classes in the beginner series, where we're going to focus on the 2 nastiest aspects and most useful aspects of the GIMP: layers and selection. Now, in 2 separate classes, once we complete those by doing some smaller projects, we're going to go after the big kahuna. Here's the project that we'll be concluding the beginner series with, my Last Divine cover, which I think is one of my favorite covers. And notice here, what we're going to work with is colored boxes. We're going to do layers. We're going to do color selection. We're going to do blur effects. We're going to bring in other images. We're going to do text. We're going to do drop shadows on text. More boxes. Here's some ghost script in the background that uses opacity to put some script over the image, and so on. This is a very sophisticated cover, and by the 4th beginner class, you will be ready for this. And then in the future, we're going to go into intermediate to advanced to super advanced. I would imagine there's going to be several classes in this track. So look for this look for more classes in the future. Do the project for now, and thank you very much for taking the class. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.